Good morning, everyone. What a beautiful day we have today. Sun is shining and it's really nice and warm outside. So today I'm going to make myself a lemon and blueberry breakfast. And last week I didn't get the result that I wanted. I've tried really hard, as you can see from all my recipes and desserts and things I've been putting up. I've stuck under 10 sins, and last week it didn't work. I didn't lose any weight, and that's sometimes how it goes, you know. This is a long journey. It's a change of life. It's not a diet. It's a way of life, and it's if we have an issue with how we feel about ourselves, then it's not just something that we can get rid of with a magic wand. It's not going to happen quickly, and it's something that we have to work at. Like a lot of things in life, things are not easy. And so I'm back on it today. And I thought I'm going to have more fibre this week to see if I can get things moving a bit better. And so I'm making an oaty breakfast. And I thought I will put some lemon, and I'm not putting the blueberries inside, because sometimes the blueberries, when you make a baked oaty breakfasty thing, the blueberries make it go a bit soft, and so I'm not putting the blueberries inside. I'm going to put some lemon inside, some lemon essence, and to make it really, really tasty and to get me started for the day. And so I'm going to turn the camera now. Have you had any problems like this? Have you got stuck in your weight journey? Last week, I lost 3.5 pounds. Brilliant. I was really, really pleased. I got slimmer of the week at group. I was amazed, I was really over the moon and tried really, really hard. Sometimes I think we can try too hard. Anyway, let's get going. So I've got 40 grams of ordinary porridge oats in here, just as they come, just like I would use to make my oaty pancakes. And in it I'm going to put some natural protein yogurt. This is high protein, but it is low sins. It's free as long as it is fat free, which it says on the top there. So I'm going to put a couple of good spoonfuls of that in there. Then I'm going to put this is vanilla essence. I'm going to put maybe half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And I'm going to do the same with a lemon. Oh, if I can get the lid off. I might do a little bit more than that. Don't think I've got much left in the bottle. I might well put it all in. And then I'm going to grate a little bit of lemon zest in here, so that we can get beautiful lemon flavour going inside. There we are, there's some lemon zest in there. And then I'm going to put a little drizzle of my milk, which is long life semi-skimmed, which is part of my A allowance. Just going to put a little drizzle, and then I'm going to put an egg. Mix that all together. Whoops, that made a mess. So that's that all mixed up there. Might just put another little drizzle of milk in. Give the oats something to soak up. God, the lemon smells beautiful. Put those little bits in there. And then I'm just going to shove it in here. I'm going to just give this a little spray with some butter fry light. Just wipe that around the edges so we don't get stuck. Glorious sunshine. Doesn't it make us feel so much better when you've got a bit of sunshine? It's lovely to have sunshine in March. Easter is late this year, so that might keep the snow away. Right, so there we are. There's my baked oats. I'm not putting any sweetener in there because I'm quite happy with baked oats without sweetener, but you can if you would like sweetener. And so I'm just going to put that in the air fryer now for about 20 minutes and see how it goes. So here we are. I've just got this out of the air fryer and it has had 20 minutes on a 180 air fry. And look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. God, it's huge actually. So I'm just going to put that on a plate. Just take it out of there and put it on my plate. That's hot, so just shove it over there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some lemon curd. I love lemon curd. Oh, it's just scrumptious. So make sure we've got a tablespoonful. There we are. Put that a little bit back. And I'm just going to dab that on the top there. Don't leave any behind. I might have to lick the spoon. And then I'm gonna, should I just, might just, oh yes, because the heat is melting that. Ooh. So spread that out. So it's got lemon inside as well, don't forget. So if you're a lemon freak like me, and then I'm just going to sit the blueberries in there and then pop a little bit. Just going to give myself a little bit more of the natural skyr, which is more protein and help. Oh, I'm just going to dab that on the side like that. And that's how to make baked oats, and that's so easy. There are so many variations. You know, you could do whatever flavour, absolutely any fruits, any chocolate chips, or you know, whatever you really like, you can put into baked oats, and they make lovely little cupcakes as well. Have you ever done that? So there we are, that's how easy it is to make some baked oats. So I'm going to make myself a coffee and I'm going to go and sit out in the sunshine. I've just uncovered the patio sofa. The sun is brilliant out there. I've got a nice little secluded corner and I'm going to go and sit out there and eat my breakfast with a cup of coffee. Anyway, let me know what you think. Do you make baked oats? What flavours do you put together? I'd love to know.